Hey everybody, Marshall Bobbitt. Guys, this is my third attempt at making a vegetarian meat, like sausage or hot dogs, etc. And I'm kind of surprised at this one. It tastes like liverwurst, and I like liverwurst. The main ingredients are Anthony's wheat gluten and nutritional yeast and white beans that I made in a pressure cooker. I'll leave the recipe on the screen up in the corner there. And this is what it looks like. By the way, when you use the beans from the pressure cooker, they're going to be a lot softer and more wet than the ones in the cans. The one in the cans are going to be a lot more firm, and you'll get a little bit different texture from what I understand, because I was disappointed when these came out yesterday evening. They were very, very soft, and I wasn't too happy, but I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and they firmed out really good. And it's got a nice texture, but it's still not, it's not meat like a sausage. This is very soft, and it reminded me in the texture more like liverwurst. And because of the nutritional yeast, it has a little bit of a liverwurst taste. I also used a half a teaspoon of a bouillon. So it's not vegetarian. It's better than bouillon. This is a beef, but they have vegetarian bouillon. This company makes one. I didn't have it on hand, so I just tried this. Like I said, they have a completely vegetable bouillon that's supposed to be excellent. So the last thing I should tell you is I didn't have any parchment paper, so I just put some oil on the foil and steamed it. I have been waiting to use my steamer for ages because I was going to use it for fish, and it works great. I put it on top of a big pan on the balcony so I don't heat up the house. I steamed it for about 50 minutes and let it sit overnight. White beans are super inexpensive, and you're using a, what is it, a quarter cup or half a cup of the gluten and a third of a cup or a quarter cup of the nutritional yeast. I'll leave the recipe up at the top. And a lot of different spices, and this is what it came out. I'm very happy because I have not seen anybody make vegetarian liverwurst. And this is as close as you're going to get. It's really good. Take care. See you out there.